Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live and work. But what exactly is it? AI has become a buzzword, but few people fully understand how it works or how it's shaping our world. At its core, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It's the technology that enables computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, decision-making, and problem-solving. AI can be broken down into different categories, like machine learning, where systems learn from data, and deep learning, which uses neural networks to mimic the human brain. AI is already embedded in our daily lives, from smart assistants like Siri and Alexa to personalized recommendations on streaming platforms. AI is working behind the scenes. It's also being used in critical areas like healthcare, where AI helps diagnose diseases, and in transportation, where self-driving cars are set to become the norm. While AI offers incredible benefits, it's not without risks. There are concerns about job displacement, data privacy, and algorithmic bias. It's crucial to ensure that as AI continues to evolve, it does so ethically and responsibly, ensuring fairness and transparency. The future of AI is full of possibilities. As AI becomes more advanced, it will continue to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and even tackle global challenges like climate change. However, balancing innovation with ethical considerations will be key to ensuring AI benefits everyone. AI is more than just a technology. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can enhance our lives and drive positive change. Understanding its potential and limitations is crucial as we move into an AI-powered future.